Master your productivity with the Eisenhower Matrix and Google Tasks for the ultimate workflow. If you are tired of feeling overwhelmed with endless to-do lists, today we're going to resolve this issue. We're going to transform your workflow by staying organized and crushing your goals. Now, there might be professional goals, personal goals, academic goals. Let's get on with this. Do decide, delegate, and delete. So the Eisenhower Matrix is a powerful tool for prioritizing your tasks by urgency and by importance. We're going to use Google Tasks. Go to Google, make sure you signed in, and then go to calendar. You find your calendar here. And then once you've gone to calendar, you can switch to your tasks view by clicking this little switcher on the top. We gave them 4 keywords. We said do, decide, delegate, and delete. Create new lists. You just need to click on the bottom here and create a new list. So do now. See, this is going to be urgent and important. Okay, urgent and important. And from up here, the 3 dots, I can click these 3 dots and then rename this list. And I can leave that just to remind me, oh, I know what this is. This is urgent, important. Like that, I can rename all of them. And we're going to say delete. All right, so now that I've got my 4 lists, what I'm going to do is, you may already be using Google Tasks and you may already have your lists of tasks that you've got. We can really quickly just jump in and we can redistribute. Okay, so for example, CIS math video. It's not urgent, bro. Yeah, it's important. It's important, but not urgent, okay? It's important, not urgent. We're gonna decide later when that's gonna get done. Technology framework, this is something that I need to decide on later as well. Aha, YouTube, Google Tasks, this using Eisenhower Matrix. This is actually urgent and important. This is exactly what I'm doing now. So let's go ahead and move this over here. Diversity video project. Now this was done a while ago, it just wasn't uploaded. So I'm gonna go ahead and delegate this to someone else. I'm gonna go ahead and say that delegate so they can go and review that. Since I already use Google Tasks, all I'm doing is I'm giving them the placeholder. Okay, so whether I need to delegate, delete, decide, or do now. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up real quick, schedule a meeting. That needs to be done now. This is done anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and review that. And that one's done as well. Start by brain dumping all of your tasks into the appropriate list. For example, a project deadline goes into do now. Responding to a minor email, that's a delegate task. And scrolling endless social media, well, that's straight to eliminate. You can even add details, due dates, and subtasks to make things super organized. So for example, if I click on this one here, let's add this to the 27th, and we're gonna say at 9 AM. And then let's do a subtask. Okay, respond to calculate inquiry. Now the best thing about this is Google Tasks integrates with Google Calendar, so your important tasks stay visible. If I go back to my calendar view here, say goodbye to outdated to-do lists and hello to a smarter, more productive workflow. Every morning, review your do now list to tackle those tasks first. Then schedule time for your scheduled tasks on your calendar. Delegation, well, use email messaging apps or your team's task messenger to hand off those tasks. And don't forget, scrolling endless social media, well, that's straight to eliminate. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with someone who would benefit from this productivity boost. And let me know in the comments below, how do you plan to use Eisenhower Matrix? Once you get used to it, it's gonna be a game changer. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.